Hello, so today we're going to solve a mathematical problem using Polya's 4-step problem solving strategy to solve the problem. Now, the problem says like this. Erlinda is going to buy 30 multivitamin capsules. Some capsules cost 10 pesos each and some cost 18 pesos each. Now, if she has 340 pesos, what is the maximum number of 18 pesos multivitamin capsules she can buy? And what is the maximum number of 10 pesos multivitamin capsules she can buy? So, the first step towards solving this problem is to analyze the problem first. Now, it says that Erlinda is going to buy 30 worth of multivitamin capsules. Now, each of these capsules cost 10 pesos and some also cost 18 pesos each. Now, given that Erlinda is going to buy 30 multivitamins, we need to find the maximum number of capsules that cost 10 pesos and 18 pesos if she has 340 pesos as a budget to buy 30 maximum amount of multivitamin capsules. The second step to this would be devising a plan. So, in this case, usually the most probable or the best strategy that we can do for this is to guess and guess for a best probable answer that we can multiply that can result for an answer of 340. So, and here's how we can do it. So I use some numericals, or let's say mathematical expression, to represent the data that was given by the problem. So let us use X to represent the number of the 10 pesos capsules, and let Y as represent the number of 18 pesos capsules. Now, X plus Y, we have 30. So, 30 multivitamin capsules. And then, 10X plus 18Y. So, we're just going to add the value of X, which is 10X plus 18Y, value of Y. So, we have 340. 340 is the amount that Erlinda has. So, the thing that we need to do here is we have to find how much is the exact maximum number of the capsules. The 10 pesos worth of capsules, 10 pesos worth of capsules, and the 18 pesos capsules as well. That will match or fit with her money or budget, 340 pesos. So we're going to solve by guessing and checking. Now here's the variables that I guessed. So my first guess, or my first trial is, so I use 10 and 20 numbers to multiply each sides, and hopefully I use this one because it's nearer, it's kinda nearer. So using the process of trial and error, so just going to calculate them. So what I did, so 10 times 10, answer, plus 18 times 20, combine, answer is 460. And does Erlinda has 460 pesos money? No. So, meaning to say, this is not the maximum amount of capsules that we can buy that will match with her money. No. The first trial is error, or the first trial is not correct. And the second one, use 15 and 15. If you add 15 and 15, it's still worth 30. The same goes as well with the first one. But let us try to see if it will worth 340. So 10 times 15, answer, plus 18 times 15 is equals to 420. 420. 420 is not the money that Erlinda has, so no. And the third guess that I had, a third trial and error, I used 25 and 15. So I kind of think of another number that will still, if you add that particular two numbers, will result to 30, and if you would multiply them to 10 and 18, will result to 340. So I use this 25 and 5. So we're going to find out. So 10 times 25, answer, plus 18 times 5, answer is 340. So right now, it matched with what we had in the data, or what is required, what's needed in the problem. Erlinda only has 340 pesos. So meaning to say, the variables that we use is indeed correct. Okay. So therefore, the maximum number of capsules that costs 10 pesos is 25, and for capsules that cost 18 pesos is 5. Now, we need to review as well our answers, so that we can, as a concluding part, we need to review our answers to see if we got the correct process. So because the two guess numbers has a total of 30, and the sum of the product of the costs of the capsules and the guess numbers is 340, therefore the solution is correct. So basically, since the sum of these two numbers that we used is 30, and the answer and the sum of the products that we did when we multiplied both sides is 340, so basically the process that we did is correct, or yes, it's indeed correct. So that's how my answer works. So basically, the only amount or the only capsules that you need to buy is that for the 10 pesos worth of multivitamin capsules, she need to buy 25 pieces of them, or 25 capsules of them. And then for the 18 pesos worth of multivitamin capsules each, she needs to buy 5 capsules of them, so that it will satisfy or match, or fit rather, with what she had, her money, because her money amounting to 340 pesos. So that's why we can assume that answer that I've made, or the process that I've just made earlier, is correct, and that is the total amount of capsules that she needs to buy to fit in her money. And there you go.